Panda. Panda.
Yeah. My camera is in my bag, but there's no one in the classroom right now, so I'm a little lost. I think I found the room. I am 30 minutes early, so this is weird. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't even know if I'm allowed to be in here. I've never walked into a classroom where it's empty and the professor isn't here. This is fine. There's no study area, so it's not like I can wait outside. You know what? Maybe I'll sit in the bathroom. Anyways, I have a story about the bus. They didn't stop at the stadium, and they usually stop at the stadium no matter what, even if you don't press the button or anything. Bus driver didn't stop at the stadium, and I missed my stop, and I had to sit on the bus and loop all the way around. I even pressed the button, and they didn't even hear me, so good thing I planned like 45 minutes earlier, but I think I'm a little too early now. I'm gonna pee. I don't actually have to pee, but I'm gonna hide in the bathroom. First class done. I'm really happy with the class. It was pretty fun, got to talk to some new people, and I'm really excited for the project. Yeah.
Hey guys, they're using the place. We're doing charades. Is it just Tuesdays or it's always Tuesdays? Oh.
Cowboy! I don't know! Reverse cowboy!
Oh, wait.
Lighthouse? Oh.
You're a smurfs.
Like,
yeah.
what the fuck? Target archery! Archery target! Oh, bullseye! Oh, money, cash! Oh, picking flowers! Boxers!
No.
Like,
Oh, God. Oh, diffusal. Love diffusal.
Hi, Matcha Mango.
Not my.
Say hi. Oh, not Matcha Mango. Hi. What is your Hi Mika's YouTube channel? Panda.
Yeah, good update.
That's all I got. Have a good day.
Perfect word. Yeah. Panda. Subscribe to her channel.
1, D.
Hello. FSA things.
Join FSA.
Join FSA. We're about to table. What if these people aren't from across you? Or from my mom?
Well, you don't even have to be Filipino.
You don't even have to be Filipino.
Or adult. Or Filipino.
Find your own FSA at your campus. Yep. You guys, this is a lot. Yeah, this could be you. A brother and handsome. You're alright right now, but once you join, handsome.
top. And stay on the pineapple level. Pineapple has a core running right down the center. And it's 2 times
Tryna be a star, just trying to listen to my movement. Write a couple bars about the feelings in my heart. It's tiring. I've been writing all these sad songs lately. That's what writing hella sad songs makes you do. But here's the truth, it's 'cause of you that I don't wanna write a sad song. Taking me back to a last song, making me feel like after all this time I still need to ask if I can come out and meet.
Oh my gosh. I don't got keys. Wow. The vloggers. I'm gonna be right in front and then make sure it sees. No, throw it onto the stage. Throw it on stage and be like, you know your vlogging days? Come on. Let's teach us the choreo now.
Oh. Hey, Mika. I really enjoyed seeing your face in the crowd tonight.
Also, wait, but if
Guys, I can't bring my professional camera.
She was like, I'm sorry, no professional cameras in the building.
Guys, it's gonna be right there. No, yeah.
Conor Francis in the stand.
I feel vulnerable. Last time I spoke at a university, we brought this up multiple times, so I'll just bring it up to y'all. I used to collect bugs as a kid, and I had an award-winning bug collection. So some could say she's an entomologist. So ask me about my bugs.
Do you still have them?
Yes.
Oh.
Well,